and been with us. Have support from one of the well-known business families of Goa, the Dempos and Anirudh Dempo and his father and mother. They've continued the wonderful philanthropy that the Dempo family is always known for. I think Rupesh Anirudh is not here today to accept our felicitations, but we thank Anirudh ji and his father and mother Jai Prakash and Padmini Dempo for their support. I call upon Dr. Ajit I call upon Moe teacher to kindly escort on stage one of our very close friends and supporters and well-wishers, the Pokres on stage, Mrs. Rekha Pokre and Shri Avdut Pokre sir. Very, very humble and wonderful couple. I think this one story I need to tell you. We have spent hours convincing our patrons. This is one couple who approached me and told me, Chandrasekhar, we are going to contribute to Aastha's Anand Niketan. I think this is, I'm getting goosebumps because this doesn't happen often. So it's wonderful and they support so many causes, And I think it's really wonderful. Moe teacher and Dr. Mopkar, both of you doing a wonderful job of escorting our guests. Thank you, Avdut sir, and I don't know how I say Rekha Pokre because I know her as Bhabhi. So, because she's been so close to our family. Escort Sandeep ji Hisaria, Bhanupriya Hisaria and Diya Hisaria onto the stage, please. Thank you. And Sandeep ji continues to support us. His Hisaria Steel and he personally, he talks to a lot of other patrons and well-wishers and does a wonderful job for us. Sandeep ji, Bhanu our school 2 years ago, I think, and he promised us a lot of support from the electrical side, and the promise was kept in spite of us unfortunately losing Kailashi. So they are represented here by Surya Prakash Kumar, the area sales manager, and Abhinan ji, who is the territorial sales manager. I would request Sumedh ji to kindly escort them on stage. I would request Great White Electricals to accept felicitations.
आस्था संस्थेच्या आनंद निकेतन ह्या नूतन वास्तूच्या उद्घाटन सोहळ्याच्या निमित्तान व्यासपीठाचेर समोर बशिल्ले गोंय राज्याचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, समाज कल्याण खात्याचे मंत्री आनी सांगेचे आमदार सुभाषबाब फळदेसाय, म्हापसा मतदारसंघाचे आमदार आनी गोंय विधानसभेचे उपसभापती जोसवा डिसोजा, ह्या संस्थेचे संस्थापक आणि स्टेट कमिशनर फॉर पर्सन ऑफ विथ डिजेबिलिटीज म्हजे मित्र गुरुप्रसाद पावसकर, दिल्लीच्यान हांगा मुद्दम हांगा आयिल्ली दीपा मलीक जी, ह्या संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष सिद्धेश बाब कोटकर, सचिव आणि बऱ्या तरेन सूत्रसंचालन करपी डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर केळकर, समोर बशिल्ले ह्या खात्याचे सेक्रेटरी गोंयचे IAS अधिकारी प्रसन्न आचार्य, आमचे कमिशनरचे सेक्रेटरी तहा हाजीक जी, डायरेक्टर ह्या हाची वर्षा नायक जी, समोर बशिल्ले पत्रकार आणि मोठ्या संख्येन आज मुद्दम ह्या उद्घाटन सोहळ्याक हांगा उपस्थित वेगवेगळ्या NGOचे प्रतिनिधी, डोनर, CSR फंड ज्यांच्यांनी दिला, वैयक्तीक ज्यांच्यांनी मदत केल्या, अशा गोंय भरले सगळ्या भावांनी भयणांनो, सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव ह्या संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष सिद्धेश बाब कोटकर आनी ताची संपूर्ण टीम हांचे अभिनंदन करता, कारण एक वेगळेपण ह्या सगळ्यांनी हांगा दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा. आनी बऱ्याचदा आमी विचार करतना पळयतात की एखादी संस्था बरी केन्ना चलपाक शकता. जर एकटो हांगा येता आनी तो फक्त तेणे केलें म्हूण ताळयो वाजय म्हूण सांगता. हांव बदळ पासून पळयतालो, चंद्रशेखर जे उलयताले की सिद्धेशान वयरून उलोवचें, तेच्या दोळान दुखां आयलीं. तेणे सुरवात केली, त्यानंतर गुरुप्रसाद आयलो, त्यानंतर आमचे अनिल सामंत आयले. पण जेणे जेणे एक दुसऱ्याक तेचें क्रेडीट दिवपाचें काम केलें, स्वता क्रेडीट कोणेच घेवना. आनी ज्या वेळार असलो फुडें एखादी ही संस्था चलोवपी त्यांच्या घरचे कोणातले अशेंय ना, कारण ही जी टीम, ही जी सोसायटी आसा, ह्या सोसायटी भितर कोणूय फुडें वचपाक शकता, वैयक्तीक कोणाचेंच कांय ना. पण सगळ्यांक दिसता की समाजाक लागून हांवें कितें तरी करपाक जाय. जशें उदर दोतोर केळकरान सांगलें की त्या वेळाचेर आमचे अनिल सामंतय उलयले की गुरू पावसकराक दिसलें आमी कितें तरी करपाक जाय, आनी त्या वेळार हें करता आसतना थोडोसो टायम डिवोट करूं जाय आनी आवड आसूं जाय. आनी त्यामुळे हांव बारीक जर सगळ्यांक पळयलें, कारण बऱ्याच जाणां हांव तसो पर्सनली वळखता, ऑलमोस्ट 80 to 90% सगळ्या मेंबरांक. आनी त्यामुळे हांवें पळयलें की हांचो प्रत्येकाचो संबंध जो आसा तो खंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या संस्थेक आसा. एखादो रोटरी क्लब आसत, बाकीचे वेगवेगळे संस्था आसत, आनी ह्या हातूंतल्यान काम करता आसतना भितरल्यान म्हाका कितें मेळटलें हो हेतू कोणाचोच ना. आनी अशा वेळाचेर जेन्ना एखादें काम करतात त्या वेळारच तें काम सक्सेसफूल जावपाक शकतात. आनी म्हणून म्हाका याद जाता की 2 वर्सां पयलीं हांव एका कार्यक्रमाक गुरून म्हाका मुद्दम हांगा आपयल्लो, आनी त्या वेळार म्हजी पयली विजीट आशिल्ली ह्या संस्थेक. त्या वेळाचेर नुकतें काम हांगा चालू जातालें, आनी त्या दीस हांवें जेन्ना गुरू म्हज्या घरा इन्विटेशन घेवन आयलो तेन्ना म्हाका सांगलें की आज उद्घाटन आसा. म्हणून हांवूय सरप्रायज जालो की 2 वर्सां भितर येदी व्हडली संस्थेचें उद्घाटन जावपाक शकता आनी हांगा येतकच मागीर हांवें पळयलें की हांव मातसो थोडोसो बेगीन आयिल्लो म्हणजे आमचे मंत्री सुभाष बाब येतकच आयलो आनी त्या वेळार ज्या वेळाचेर फिरून दाखयलें गुरून तेन्ना ताच्या भितर पळयतकच प्रत्येक वयतकच वेगळ्या रुमाक वेगळें नांव म्हळ्यार तांच्यांनी म्हाका एक दाखयलें की सक्षम हें दाखयलें कारण बरेचशे वर्ड जे आसात त्या वर्डाचो कितें तरी मिनींग आसा उगीच कितें अशें न्ही एखादी फिजिओथेरपी करपाक सक्षम म्हळ्यार हो सक्षम रूम आसा म्हूण सांगलें म्हाका दुसरें पळयतकच सरगम म्हणजे म्युजिकाचो एखाद्याक आवड आसा म्युजीक जाका शिकोवपाक जाय अशा रुमांक ताणें सरगम नांव दिलें एखाद्या हाचेर जाका भुरग्यापणा पसून एखाद्याक प्रॉब्लम आसा जाल्यार ताका नांव दिलें अपार म्हणून त्याच्या नंतर म्हणलें स्वयं इंडिपेंडंट डेली एक्टिविटीज एखाद्या भुरग्यान आपल्याक करपाक जाय जाल्यार ताका स्वयं अशेंय नांव तांच्यांनी दिल्लें आसा आनी सुरवातीकूच एंट्री जातकच थंय स्विमींग पूल कशें दिसलें म्हळ्यार ही म्हादय म्हणून ज्या भुरग्यांक स्विमींग जर आमी एक्सरसायज दिली जाल्यार ते भुरगे बरे जावपाक शकतात श्रुती ज्या भुरग्याक उलोवपाक येना अनिल सामंत सरान उलयतना सांगलें की जो भुरगो उलोवपाक शकना त्या भुरग्याक तांच्यांनी उलोवपाक स्पीच तयार करून दिली आनी ताका ताणें श्रुती अशें दिलें आनी थंय टिचर हांवें आशिल्ली जिणेन बऱ्या तरेन एक्सप्लेनूय केली कारण एखादे अशा संस्थेक काम करपी जेन्ना एखाद्यो टिचर्स असतात ते केवळ पगार मेळटा म्हणून काम करत जाल्यार तें काम सक्सेस जावचें ना ते काम करता आसतना डिवोशन आसूं जाय आनी तें डिवोशन ती उलयता त्या वेळाचेर तांचें दिसून येतालें मागीर म्हज्या लक्षांत आयलें च्या पिताना सांगलें की गेले 15 दीस हे सगळ्यो टिचरी रातच्यो 11-12 पर्यंत आपलें सेटअप करपाक हांगा आशिल्ल्यो हें डिवोशन आनी त्या वेळार तें वेगळेपण मागीर सांगलें की अंबर म्हणून एक हॉलाचें तशेंच मल्टीपर्पज हॉल जाल्यार ताका अंबर आनी सिद्धम स्कील हें सगळें जातकच इतल्यान सोंपना तर एखादो भुरगो हांगा रावतकच तो स्वताच्या पांयार उबो रावपाक जाय जाल्यार स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट अशी विविध नांवां दिवन ही एक आस्था ह्या आस्था संस्थेचें आनंद निकेतन हें हांगा फॉर्मेशन केल्लें आसा आनी त्यामुळे हे करता आसतना ताच्या भितर वेगवेगळ्या लोकांचे हांगा सन्मान जालो आनी कांय जाणांचो सन्मान जावपाचो आसा आनी हे करता आसतना कारण एखादें जशें बद्दल सिद्धेश बाबान सांगलें की बऱ्याचदा आमी घर सुद्दां बांदता आसतना आमी जर बजेट ठरयली जाल्यार ती बजेटा भितर केन्नाच जायना ती बजेट एक्सीड जाता पण म्हाका दिसता आस्था ही तुमची एक पयली संस्था आसली की जेणे बजेट केली पूण ताचे पेक्षा कमी पयशांत तुमी हें काम पूर्ण केल्लें आसा आनी त्यामुळे हे करता आसतना पयशे जाय कारण सगळें सॉंग करपाक मेळटा पयशांचें करपाक मेळना आनी त्यामुळे डोनर जे आसात कारण खूब जाणांनी सजळ असते बऱ्याच जाणांनी हांगा अप्रोच केलें की म्हाका कितें तरी दिवपाक जाय कारण समाजा भितर भरपूर लोक असतात पयशे आसले म्हूण ते दिवपी लोक आसात पूण हे केन्ना दिवपाक शकतात एखादो संस्था चालक बऱ्या तरेन जर ताचो पयशांचो उपयोग करता अशें फिलींग जर समाजा भितर आसत जाल्यार त्या मनशाक दिसता की हांवें कितें तरी दिवपाक जाय आनी म्हणून वेगवेगळे आज हांवें हांगा पळयले की बऱ्याच जाणांनी असले कोणाक तरी तुमी अप्रोच केला आसतलो एखाद्या CSR फंडाक लागून पण बऱ्याच जाणांनी स्वताहून पयशे दिवपाचे जे आसा हें दाखयल्लें आसा आनी तांच्यांनी पयशे दिले आनी म्हणून आज ही बऱ्या तरेची ही संस्था आज येदें व्हडलें कारण ज्याने 8 भुरग्यांक घेवन एखाद्या 2 रुमान जें खोल्ले सुरू केल्लें ते हळूहळू पयर येता ते एक बऱ्या हाच्या भितर वास्तू भितर पाविल्लें आसा हाचे भितर डेफिनेटली डेडिकेशन कारण सरकारान जर ही जागा दिवना जाल्यार तें शक्य जावचें नाशिल्लें सुरवातीक आमचे मनोहर भाई पर्रीकर आनी तेच्या नंतर आमचे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्यांनी ही इतली व्हडली जागा आनी आमचे बाबूश डिसोजा हांचो इनिशिएटीव कारण ते लोकल आमदार आशिल्ले आनी त्यामुळे ह्या हातूंतल्यान एक जागा दितकच एक बरी वास्तू करपाक जाय आनी आज म्हाका दिसता गोंया भितर अश्यो बऱ्योचश्यो वेगवेगळ्यो संस्था अशा पद्दतीचे दिव्यांग स्कुलां चलयता आसतल्यो पण ताच्या भितर एक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अशा पद्दतीचें करपाचो प्रयत्न आस्था ह्या संस्थेन आनंद निकेतन स्कुलाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांगा केल्लें आसा हांव तुमचें अभिनंदन करता आनी हे करता आसतना एखादे प्रोजेक्ट फुडें व्हरपाक जाय म्हाका याद जाता पर्पल फेस्टिवल इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्टिवल हे आमचे समाज कल्याण खात्याचे आमचे सुभाष बाब फळदेसाय कारण बरेचदा कशें आसता खातें कितें आहा हें म्हत्वाचें ना पण त्या खात्याक जर इंट्रस्ट घेवन जर काम केलें जाल्यार त्या खात्याचो व्हॅल्यू वाडोवपाक शकतात आनी हें करता आसतना एखादो मुख्यमंत्री ताच्या फाटल्यान ठामपणान उबो आसूं जाय ते आमचे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्यांनी पूर्णपणे ह्या खात्याक एक वेगळेपण जें आसा हें आज करून दिल्लें आसा आनी म्हणून तांच्यांनी आज बद्दल उलयता आसतना करून सांगलें आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान म्हाका दिसता काल केन्ना तरी उलयलें की येणाऱ्या दिसांनी आमकां दिव्यांगांचें एक वेगळें रेजिडेन्शियल स्कूल करपाक जाय आनी त्यामुळे ताका लागणारी जी कितें मदत आसा ती डेफिनेटली सरकार म्हणून करपाक जाय कारण आमी पळयतात की एखाद्याक आमी वेगवेगळ्या हातून बरेचशे असतात की एखादो टुर्नामेंट करपाक एखादो जर क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंट केलो थंय 15-20 लाखाक उडयतात पण ते 15 लाख 20 जर हाडून अशा संस्थेक दीत जर जाल्यार त्याचो खरो फायदो त्या समाजाक लागून जाता, त्या भुरग्याक लागून जाता. आणि म्हणून हांव परत तुमचो चड वेळ घेता. परत एकदा सगळे डोनर जे आसात ह्या सगळ्या डोनरांचे अभिनंदन करता, ज्यांच्यांनी एक बऱ्या कार्याक लागून हे आपले मदत जी आसा ही मदत तुम्ही ह्या संस्थेक दिल्ली आसा. ह्या संस्थेचे सगळे पदाधिकारी ज्यांच्यांनी सुरवाती पासून, कारण गुरून ज्या वेळाचेर इनिशिएटीव घेवन सुरू केलें, गुरू आनी 4-5 मंडळी, डॉक्टर केळकर आणि बाकीचे अनिल सामंत आसात की बाकी सगळे जाण, पण तेन्ना पासून आतां पर्यंत हे सगळें करता आसतना केन्नाच कोणें फील करून घेवना की हांवच अध्यक्ष म्हणून हांवेंच काम करप, अशें ना. आमी येता आसतना भितर पळयलें, म्हाका म्हजो शेजारी मामरे मेळ्ळो, राहुल मामरे. त्याने म्हणलें की आपण ट्रेजरर म्हणून. हांवें म्हणलें बरें गोश्ट, तुम्ही डोनेशन दिलें काय म्हणून. म्हाकाय खबर ना राहुल ट्रेजरर म्हणून. पण एक अशें वेगळेपण, म्हणजे जशें ज्या वेळाचेर गुरून नांवां घेतालो त्या वेळाचेर बरेच जाण हांगा नाशिल्ले. कोणे तरी RCC कन्सल्टंट आसत, कोण तरी आर्किटेक्ट आसत, नाजाल्यार आमी बऱ्याचदा पळयतात की पयशे दितकच सगळ्यान फुडल्या लायनीन आपल्याक कशें बसूंक दिवना, तेकाच लागून चड उलोवप आसा, अशें कांय लोक आसतात. पण ह्या संस्थेक तुमी सगळे लक्की आसात की ह्या संस्थे भितर विविध असे प्रोफेशनल ह्या हाच्या भितर, कोण चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट आसा, कोण दोतोर आसा. कांय दोतोरांनी तर आपली प्रॅक्टीस कमी केली. म्हाका गुरू म्हणटालो की दोतोर केळकरान प्रॅक्टीस कमी केली कारण डिवोट करपाक जाय टायम. अशा पद्दतीची मंडळी तुमचे बरोबर आसा. आनी त्यामुळे हे सगळे आसत जाल्यार एखादी संस्था फुडें सरपाक शकतात, त्याच्या भितर स्वताचो फायदो कितें हो कोणें पळोवना. प्रत्येकाक दिसता की म्हजें कितें तरी कंट्रिब्युशन हांवें करपाक जाय, म्हजें प्रोफेशनल सायटीक दवरतलो, पण ही म्हजी एक काम जें आसा ह्या कामा भितर म्हाका एक व्हडलें सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मेळपाक शकता, अशा तरेचें हें काम आसा. आनी त्यामुळे ह्या कामाक तुमी सगळ्यांनी मदत केल्ली आसा. आनी एक बरी वास्तू ह्या आज म्हापशा भितर जाता, खरोखरच हांव अभिनंदन करता. आनी जशें गुरून सांगलें, मुख्यमंत्र्याचें पूर्ण सहकार्य डेफिनेटली आसा. समाज कल्याण खात्याचे मंत्री करतले. आनी त्यामुळे रेजिडेन्शियल स्कूल जे आसा हें करता आसतना ह्या संस्थेक जर तुम्ही जबाबदारी दिली आसत जाल्यार डेफिनेटली बऱ्या तरेन हें काम करपाक शकतले अशी अपेक्षा करता. आनी सगळ्यांक धन्यवाद दिता. देव बरें करूं.
I would request sir to accept felicitations in the form of a memento, and Anura will do the needful. Thank you, Sudhirji. Thanks for joining us in next in line. I think it's a very proud moment for all of us to welcome on stage a very special invitee for the evening, Mrs. Deepa Malikji, Padma Shri and a Paralympian of great repute, a lady who wears multiple hats, all with so much of ease. A para-athlete, a Paralympian who brought laurels to the country and became the first woman athlete to win a medal for India at the Asian Games, and she continued to do so for 3 successive Asian Games. A swimmer, a racer, and a javelin thrower par excellence, Deepaji shows the light to all of us and works to tell us that it's the ability and not the disability that counts. So many medals, innumerable international awards and accolades. She's a member of a lot of committees that works towards bringing change in the lives of those with disability. Thank you, ma'am, for your august presence this evening. Thank you, it's truly inspiring. I would request Rajesh Khedekar, our young and dynamic individual member and a manager of the school now. He's got an added responsibility of Aastha's Anand Niketan running that school. And as you can see, with a wonderful smile on his face and a very positive attitude, he will do wonders in taking this school forward. Thank you, Raju, for joining Deepaji in felicitating our next set of patrons. First on stage, let me call upon 2 gentlemen from BNF Realty, because Jose Braganza is not with us today. I would request Sumeji Naik to kindly escort on stage Mr. Vinay Furari and Ramesh Mirpuri. On stage, I think BNF Realty are someone who are always below the radar. They always tell us, functions are not meant for us. But I think we are happy that you paid heed to our sincere request and come here to accept our salutations. Jose still eluded us this evening. So thank you. Thank you. You know, you've seen the wonderful, you know, if you walked up the steps, you would realize that the steps, the railings, you know, all the safety precautions are thanks to the support of BNF Realty. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for coming. It's a pleasure. Pleasure of mine. Thank you. Next, I call upon stage Mrs. Supriya Chandrasekhar Kelkar. I would request teacher Snehal to kindly escort Mrs. Supriya Chandrasekhar Kelkar on stage. I think the name itself tells you that she's a very lucky woman. And I am a lucky man as well, for that matter. Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful support, because without that, senior members or retirees have a question as to where to give the money. The example is with Dr. Gauri's mother. Her mother, a retired employee, gave her entire 1 year pension to Aastha's Anand Niketan for her service. So that's an example set by her mother. Thank you. Thank you to Unskar. Thank you, Surat Unskar ma'am, for that example for others. Thank you. Next on stage, I think the lady who stands behind like steel and concrete, Natasha Kotkarji. I would request teacher Subala and Moe teacher to kindly escort on stage Mrs. Natasha Kotkar and Siddesh Kotkar. It will be a pleasure to have you on stage. Please, please. Thank you. The power couple who leads Aastha's Anand Niketan from the front. It's not easy when you turn around in bed and you see that your husband is not there and he's at the Aastha's side because some work is going around at 12 o'clock midnight. So she has experienced that many times, because Siddesh just comes here and tells her that, you know, the carpenter is here, I need to be at the side. So it's been like that. Thank you, Natasha, for all the sacrifices that you've made. Thank you. Next on to stage, I will request Tanvi Sawant to kindly escort Rahul Agarwalji, the Managing Director of Toledo Villas, and Rahulji, thank you. I would like all of you to join, please. This is a moment for us to say a big thank you to you, and we would appreciate. You know, all these ladies and gentlemen, they've been to our school when, you know, there was just the basement or, you know, nothing ready, and they decided to support us. And that's why we need to say a big thank you to each one of them. Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you for your support. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would request Paresh Rivankar to kindly escort Shri Jayesh Raikarji, who's here. This side, Paresh sir is here. Yeah. Thank you. Paresh, if you could escort Jayesh Raikarji. He, I think I'm missing Mohan Ramakrishna Raikar sir, because sir is not here, sir's father. He's a gentleman with a lot of experience. You know, I've had one-to-one chats with Mohanji when he was here. Mohanji, Jayesh Raikar and his brother Siddesh Raikar are the trustees of the Devaki Ramakrishna Charitable Trust. and they have come forward and supported us. Jayeshji, please give my regards to Mohan sir and tell him that I look forward to his experiential ideas when we meet next. Thank you, thank you. Next is the Mr. Angad Singh and the Kamdenu Foundation, who has supported us with our speech therapy unit. They are not here with us this evening. The next family I'm going to call up on stage. We went to their office this evening, and the next morning we had a check on our table saying that Shekhar and Guru, tumi hai karta, and I'm with you. And this gentleman is one of the very well-known families of Goa. A very wonderful, inspiring stories about him, whom I came to know later, that when there was an earthquake in Latur, this gentleman, at that time at a very young age, he was one of the first ones to be there. You know, Durgadas ji told me about it. Parab sir, if he's there. I'm talking about Kiran and his wonderful wife, Deepa Shirodkar ji. Let's put our hands together to both of them. And and it is not just about the financial support. We had a lot of issues when we were constructing things, and I came to know that Kiran ji leads, heads the DMC college. So I could just pick up the phone and say, Kiran Bab kide saung jaishile. He used to say, kide jai, sang, what can I do? So that was the kind of warmth you receive from the other side, and then everything becomes easy. Thank you, ma'am, for always being accepting our invitations and staying with us for all our events. Thank you, thank you. Kiran ji has gone beyond, his batchmates of 10th standard have supported us with chairs, water filters and whatnot whenever we needed it. Thank you to both of you. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, we've heard that you are a motivational speaker, and of course your life is a motivation in itself. So it's no wonder that you can speak so well, because when someone has done so much with heart, it is always on the tongue. So over to you for your inspirational words.
Thank you, sir. Most Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawantji, Honorable Mr. Minister for Social Justice, Mr. Subhash ji, Mr. Sadanand, sir, Honorable Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Mr. Joshua, the Deputy Speaker and the MLA of this area, my very dear friend. And I have realized that anybody who has spoken before me has always called Guru Sir a friend. So that's how he works. And all the members of the Aastha family, people present here, government officials, parents, children, and my fellow persons with disabilities of special abilities. I'm absolutely honored. Today, Sir said I speak well, but it is emotionally a very heavy day for me, because today is 3rd of June. I'm born on 30th of September, but nowadays I celebrate my birthday on 3rd of June because it was 3rd of June 1999, where when I went in for surgery, there wasn't much hope of me being alive due to the repetitive tumor surgeries. And even if I had stayed alive, I would have been just below paralyzed because my spinal cord would have got damaged. 3rd of June was a day of decision, a day of choice. And that day I made a choice of life. I prayed to Almighty that give me life, let me live. I have to bring up 2 young daughters. I will do my best to accept in whatever body you keep me in. Well, 3rd of June did give me that gift of life. Today is 3rd of June, and every 3rd of June, we do a puja at home, followed by a party at home. My children call it a phoenix birthday. And when I got a call from Guru Prasad sir, and he said, how about coming to Goa? And I said, sir, it's like a day, and आज अगर हम सनातन धर्म को देखें तो बुढ़वा मंगलवार है, one of the most auspicious days in my religion, a day of gratitude, manifestation, prayers. They say the alignment of planets is in the most auspicious position. And then I looked into myself and I said, what better way to celebrate such an important day, जिसमें इतनी आस्था से अगर मैं ऊपर वाले का धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, तो क्यों ना आस्था में आकर मैं वो धन्यवाद दूँ। मेरे लिए ये धन्यवाद और भी ज़रूरी हो जाता है, क्योंकि जब मेरी बिटिया 14 महीने की थी, नया नया चलना शुरू किया था। मेरा बचपन अस्पताल में गुजरा है। 5 से 9 वर्ष की आयु मेरी लकवाग्रस्त रही, क्योंकि मेरा बचपन का ट्यूमर आया। मेरी सर्जरी हुई, रिहैब। बहुत बुरा लगा कि 20 साल गुजर गए थे मेरी बचपन की बीमारी में और मेरी बेटी की नई बीमारी में। मानसिकता नहीं बदली थी, बिल्कुल नहीं बदली थी। वही ताने, वही लड़की है, कैसे जिएगी, यही शब्द सुनने को मिलते थे। और एक माँ होकर समझ आया कि मेरे माँ बाप, खासकर मेरी माँ, किन शब्दों को सुनकर गुजरी होगी। लेकिन शुक्रगुजार हूँ अपने उन सब रिहैबिलिटेशन ट्रेनर्स का, उन सब हाइड्रोथेरेपिस्ट का, उन डॉक्टर्स का, और सर्वप्रथम उन माँ बाप का, उन अभिभावकों का, जिन्होंने मुझ पर कभी हार नहीं मानी और सही रिहैबिलिटेशन के प्रोसेस के थ्रू मुझे बचपन में भी चलाया और फिर मैंने अपनी बेटी को भी चलाया। सबने कह दिया था शायद मानसिक रूप से भी ये थोड़ी कमज़ोर रहेगी क्योंकि हेड इंजरी हुई है, लेकिन आप जितने भी शब्द यहाँ देख रहे हैं, हाइड्रोथेरेपी, स्पीच थेरेपी, फिजियोथेरेपी, ये हर थेरेपी से मैं और मेरी बिटिया गुजरी है। हम का एक ही घर में माँ बेटी अपंग है। आज मैं गर्व से कहती हूँ कि जब ऐसी सुविधाएं हमें मिली, तो आज मैं और मेरी बेटी, हम पूरे संसार की मात्र एक माँ बेटी जोड़ी हैं जिन्होंने अपने भारतवर्ष को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर स्पोर्ट्स में रिप्रेजेंट भी किया है और देश के लिए मेडल भी जीता है। हाइड्रोथेरेपी करते करते ये पता लगा कि मैं डूब नहीं सकती, और डूब नहीं रही हूँ मतलब तैर रही हूँ। अगर मैं उस थेरेपी में नहीं गई होती तो 36 साल की उम्र में शायद मैंने खेलों को नहीं ज्वाइन किया था। जब मैं पहली बार खेलने गई कुआलालंपुर और वहाँ से मैं मेडल जीत कर लौटी, 36 वर्ष की आयु में घर पहुँची, तो आर्मी वेलफेयर सेंटर से मुझे 21,000 रुपये का इनाम मिला। 21,000 रुपये जब मुझे मिले तो पहली चीज़ मैंने करी, मैं दिसंबर 2006 में गोवा आई, क्योंकि वो मेरा सपना था कि मुझे गोवा की हॉलीडे करनी है। वहाँ से मेरा रिश्ता गोवा से शुरू हुआ। फिर मैंने बहुत गोवा सेंट्रल जेल, मॉडर्न सेंट्रल जेल में प्रिजनर्स के साथ मोटिवेशनल सेशंस और उनकी पॉजिटिव आउटलुक, उनके रिफॉर्मेशन पे भी बहुत काम किया। और आज चीफ मिनिस्टर सर, प्रमोद सर, आपका विद फोल्डेड हैंड्स I thank you for saving my face, because when I became the president of the Paralympic Committee, I took the team to Tokyo 2020, and along with Tokyo 2020 Paralympics, a 10-year campaign was launched by the International Paralympic Committee. It was called We the 15 Purple Moment, which was for the rights of persons with disability. सब पूरे संसार के जो मेजर मॉन्यूमेंट्स थे उन्हें पर्पल रंग से लाइटिंग की गई। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे लिए इतनी दुर्भाग्य की बात रही कि मेरे पैरालंपिक कमेटी के प्रेसिडेंट होते हुए समहाउ हमारे देश में एक भी मॉन्यूमेंट में पर्पल कलर नहीं भरा गया, और वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे मेरी हार लगी और दिल में ठेस भी लगी, क्योंकि मैं मात्र एक प्रेसिडेंट नहीं थी, मैं खिलाड़ी भी थी, मैं पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी भी थी। तो मैंने फिर जब पर्पल फेस्ट आया, मैंने उसकी इतनी रील्स बनाई सर, दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स फॉर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी। और सुभाष सर और गुरु सर और आप सब ने मुझे यहाँ न्योता भी दिया, मैंने उसे यहाँ पे देखा, मैंने देखा पूरा शहर पर्पल हो चुका है और हज़ारों पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी यहाँ पे आए हैं। और जब मैंने उसकी रील्स बना के वी द 15 मोमेंट को टैग करके, तो मुझे इतने अप्रिसिएशन लेटर्स आए जैसे शायद मैंने ही वो काम कर दिया। थैंक यू सर फॉर गिविंग अस दैट फेस्ट। एंड उसके अगले फेस्टिवल में वी सेलिब्रेटेड पैरालंपिक स्पोर्ट इन गोवा। थैंक यू सर। एंड ये बात सच्ची है कि यथा राजा तथा प्रजा is a huge example of great and good governance, because when the government, the policies, the people in leadership role take the lead, then the result is like this. We have Purple Fest, जिसका पर्पल कलर राष्ट्रपति भवन को भी अब रंगीन कर चुका है। हाल ही में हम राष्ट्रपति भवन में भी पर्पल फेस्ट बना कर आए हैं। आपने भारत को जो शुरुआत दी है सर, उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद। और एक और बड़ा धन्यवाद आज की इस संस्था के लिए। ये बिल्कुल मेरी एक निवेदन है। सर्वप्रथम मेरा धन्यवाद है क्योंकि मैं एक बेनिफिशियरी हूँ। मैं एक ऐसी ही रिहैबिलिटेशन प्रोग्राम से निकली हूँ, तो आज मैंने भारत को 23 बार तिरंगे को मैंने ऊपर किया है और 23 बार कहीं ना कहीं भारत की शान आई है। आज मेरी बेटी भी राष्ट्रपति युवा प्रोग्राम से पुरस्कृत है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे यूनाइटेड नेशंस के साथ डिसेबिलिटी सेक्टर में काम कर रही है, क्योंकि हमने रिहैबिलिटेशन को सीरियसली लिया और वो रिहैबिलिटेशन ने हमारे कई सपने साकार किए। इतने कि मैं हिमालय पे गाड़ी चला पाई हाथों के बल से, एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया। यमुना नदी को मैंने विपरीत बहाव के विपरीत तैरकर 1 किलोमीटर वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया। तो ऐसे बड़े बड़े कार्य कर पाए क्योंकि हमने हमारी रिहैबिलिटेशन को सीरियसली लिया। मैं बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद आज सुभाष सर आपका भी देना चाहती हूँ। आपका पूरा परिवार लगा था। मुझे पता है कि खाना बांटने खुद स्वयं मैम भी उस दिन आई थी। तो जब इतना जुड़ते हैं, आई सॉ यू स्पीक जोशुआ सर, सरान सर, कि द वे यू आर पर्सनली कनेक्टेड। मेरी एक कविता है कि क्या सपना है तेरा मानव, क्या सपना है तेरा मानव, बस निद्रा में ही भगा रहा दुख के दानव। निद्रा का सपना केवल एक मृग तृष्णा है, क्षण भर का चारू चंद्र फिर निशा केवल कृष्णा है। सपने देख जागृत अवस्था में, बना उन्हें आदर्श, कायम कर व्यवस्था में। और मैं वही सपने को आदर्श बनकर गोवा की जन्मभूमि में, आज इस भूमि में आदर्श बनकर सच होते हुए देख रही हूँ। पुनः उसका एक हार्दिक धन्यवाद देती हूँ। आज मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे यहाँ पे कोरियर करके गिफ्ट भेजा है। ये फीनिक्स एक माइथोलॉजिकल बर्ड है जो राइज फ्रॉम द एशेस होती है। जब उम्मीदें नष्ट हो जाती हैं, जब हताश इंसान हो जाता है, तो फिर उसमें हमेशा कहा गया है कि ये पुनर्जन्म लेती है और राइजेस फ्रॉम द एशेस एंड टेक्स द फ्लाइट ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर। एंड आई थिंक आस्था एक ऐसा फीनिक्स बर्ड है जो कई बच्चों की ज़िंदगी में एक नई फ्लाइट देगा। Their children and the people who will rehabilitate here will rise above their ashes, take the flight of life and do well in their life. And आज आस्था के इस ओकेजन पे मैं अपने जीवन का पूरा हार्ड वर्क जो एक किताब के रूप में मैंने लिखा है, मैं 2 सेकंड के लिए आदरणीय चीफ मिनिस्टर सर, मंत्री जी, राज्यसभा मेंबर, स्पीकर सर, Guru Prasad sir, can I request you to be here because I want to gift you my life, the entire work of my life which is there in this. Can I have my books please? It is such a beautiful day to gift you my 21,000 मैंने तब जीते थे और मैं गोवा आई थी, या वो 21,000 जो शायद आज की पूजा के बाद मैं पंडित को दे देती। मुझे लगता है कि ये पूजा सबसे ज़रूरी है। मैं वो 21,000 आज आस्था को डोनेट करती हूँ। मेरी डोनेशन यहाँ पे आएगी। थैंक यू सो मच। No, this is, I will send you this. This is for you, sir. It is for the transformation of a prisoner. His
Vasant means spring. He has a spring in his step and he brings a lot of beautiful color whenever he comes. Very, very enthusiastic. So Vasant, thanks for being here. May I call upon Siddesh sir, our chairman, to kindly escort on stage our guest of honor for today's function, the Honorable Minister Subhash Pardesai sir. Thank you for being here and thank you for all the work that you're doing in the field of social welfare and for people of disabilities. May I request Anurag to kindly welcome sir with some lovely flowers. As you realize, these flowers are also made by the children of Aastha's Anand under their vocational program. Thank you. Let's start with our felicitations at the hands of guest of honor. This is one individual, very senior member of the Rotary Club of Mapsa, to which I belonged, and he is been a philanthropist par excellence, you know, a very, very successful businessman, but that I know him more as a man who knows how to give for the right cause. And let's give it out to him as Vijay Shetty sir escorts on stage the one and only Mahendra Gupta ji. Please sir, please welcome, and we are honored that you continue to support Aastha's Anand Niketan with the same heart that you did 15 years ago as well. Thank you sir, always appreciate. You know, be it our first school or the one that we renovated 7 years ago or the current building, you know, we approach Gupta ji and the rest is history. May I call upon Rajesh Mamre? Everyone's talking about RCC consultant, Disatna, here he comes. Let's welcome Neha Ketan Mandrekar and Mr. Ketan Mandrekar, escorted by Rajesh Mamre. I think Ketan sir has been phenomenal when it comes to supporting the cause of Aastha's Anand Niketan, and we thank him for his wonderful presence. Today he was here just a week back as well, even 6 months ago, to see the progress of the school. And what this does is, it shows us that our patrons have real commitment towards the cause of developing our school. So thank you Ketan sir, thank you ma'am as well for being present here, and please accept our felicitations on behalf of Aastha's Anand Niketan. Lot of the speakers who came about talked about Guru. So, but you cannot reach Guru unless you have true Archana. So let's call on stage the lady behind the Guru, Archana Pavaskar, and his sister, Prerna Pavaskar, to please accept our felicitations. I would request Mopkar sir to kindly do the needful in please escorting Archana and Prerna, both beautiful words which probably inspire him, and also, Archana, always pleasure to welcome you on stage. Please accept our felicitations. Prerna ma'am, thank you. Prerna ji very active socially also. A lot of work in the field of ecology as a Rotary member also. Thank you. And of course, Abba always blesses us. Thank you. Wonderful memories. Thank you, Archana. Thank you, sir. One of the most well-known individual philanthropists of MAPSA is next in line, and I would request Rupesh Kaus to kindly welcome our Rajiv Nevgi and Uma Nevgi ji onto the stage to receive felicitations at the hands of our guest of honor, the Honorable Minister. Rajiv ji, thank you. And his philanthropy is Vadata Vade, You go to him and you tell him that the building has reached this stage, he will amaze you with another check. He'll amaze you with some nice support. He will amaze you with a nice story which will inspire you. So that's how it is. Rajiv ji, thank you. A wonderful man, widely traveled, lot of experiences. It's fun to have nice company with him. Thank you, Rajiv ji, and thank you, Uma ma'am, for being here. It's a pleasure to have both of you here. Thank you, Rupesh. And that's a wonderful photograph, Rajiv ji. Too good. What a lovely romantic photograph. Thank you. We were impressed, Our teachers were impressed. Fantastic. Thanks to that friend who clicked a wonderful photograph. Thank you, ma'am. Take care, sir. Ratnamani Metals and Tubes, I think Tadvi ji has gone a long way in getting a lot of sponsors and supporters for the cause, but unfortunately they are not represented here today. So I thank Tanvi ji for her work. Next in line is, I would like to call upon stage Shri Satish Pandurang Shirodkar ji. I would request Sudhir Revankar sir to kindly escort sir here. Sir is a trustee of the Shri Ashok Valke Charitable Trust. Thank you, sir. Sir has supported our Bera unit, which is part of the audiology section, and the Ashok Valke Charitable Trust goes a long way in supporting us because they supported us with a traveler long time ago as well, and they continue to support us through the good work of Amolji Valke and the trust whom Shri Shirodkar ji is a trustee of. Thank you. And sir, a big thank you for getting my radiology sir, Jivan Vernekar sir. Once again, thank you sir for being here. I'm so happy to see you sir, and for blessing me. Sir was my radiology guide at the Goa Medical College as professor and HOD Department of Radiology. Sir, thank you. Thank you Jivan sir for being present here. I would now call upon our guest of honor to kindly address us and bless us with his words. Thank you.
नमस्कार आणि सगळ्यांक जमलेल्यांक समेस्तांक अभिनंदन. आस्थाची आस्था आसपी सगळ्यांक खूप खूप अभिनंदन, शुभेच्छा. The Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantji, Sri Sadanand Tanawade, Rajya Sabha MP, Mr. Joshua D'Souza, the Deputy Speaker of Goa Assembly, Mr. Guru Prasad Pavaskar, Madam Dr. Deepa Malik, who is the inspiration and motivation of all the person with disabilities, Siddesh Kotkar ji, the President, Dr. Chandrasekhar Kelkar, Architect Sumit Naik, Professor Anil Samant, Prasanna Acharya, the Secretary Taha Azikji, the Secretary for Commissioner Person with Disability, our Director of the Department of Empowerment of Person with Disability, Madam Varsha, all the distinguished gathering guests, all the donors, promoters, patrons, motivators, all the parents of the person with disabilities, all the officers from government, all the, all who have gathered here. आस्था आशिल्ल्या सगळ्यांक आस्था आयिल्ले आसात म्हणून तुमकां सगळ्यांक मना काळजांतल्यान परत एक फावटी सरकारा वटच्यान हांव अभिनंदन करता आनी येवकारय दिता. आय एम हॉनर्ड टू स्टँड बिफोर यू टुडे एज अ गेस्ट ऑफ हॉनर at the inauguration of Aastha's Anand Niketan, a beacon of hope and inclusivity for persons with disabilities. The remarkable institution is poised to make a profound impact on the lives of countless individuals. And I am humbled to be a part of this momentous occasion. The program offered by Anand Niketan School are truly innovative and comprehensive. Sargam, the music and dance program, will undoubtedly bring joy and creativity expression to the lives of students with disabilities. Shruti, the audiography and speech therapy program, will provide vital support for individuals with hearing and communication challenges. Apar, the early intervention program, will empower young children with disabilities to reach their full potential. The school's commitment to providing a holistic education evident in this range of therapies, including hydrotherapy, occupational therapy, and vocational therapies. These programs will equip the students with skills and confidence they need to thrive in all aspects. What impresses me the most about the Anand Niketan School, its dedication to creating an overall center for excellence. This vision reflects a deep understanding of potential and worthy of every individual regardless of their abilities. By providing a nurturing environment that fosters growth, creativity, and independence, this school will become a shining example of inclusive education in our community. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Aastha and the entire team behind Anand Niketan School for their tireless efforts in their making this vision a reality. Your dedication to creating a more inclusive and compassionate society is truly inspiring. As we gather to inaugurate this remarkable institution, I urge every present to join hands in supporting this noble cause. Let us work together to create a world where every individual, regardless of their abilities, has access to opportunities, resources, and the chance to reach their full strength. Friends, today whatever I have seen, it is one of the most remarkable moments in my life, which will create a very deep sense of realization that what extent we could provide to the society. When I had entered here 2 years back, I never imagined that such a team exists. All those dedicated, selfless commitments that all the people who were working in this, they worked tirelessly, and congratulations to that. And I have seen a right person came here to inspire all of us is Dr. Deepa Malik, who is a Padma Shri, and she has shown if you have a commitment, you have a dedication, if you have a confidence within you, you can rise up to any level despite of every struggles, hurdles, or I would say aghats. She continued that yes, I would do this. I will not bother what people say. what people claim, I will prove myself that nothing is impossible. And that is the kind of, commitment that she has shown, and she has gone to this level. And now today, people look at her that if Madam Deepa Malik could do it, why I cannot? I am more better than her. Why I can't? So this is a kind of situation that she has shown to everybody. This is a beacon of hope. Aastha is nothing like, it is a faith, it is a trust, it is a hope, it is a confidence, it is a happiness, it is an emotion that connects us all together. When I had taken up this responsibility of this department, I felt it is a small department of social work, social welfare. Some of my workers got, they were saying that this is what department that you have got. But now I can proudly say the department that I got, it got converted into a different kind of thing. And looking at my passion, because Guru is really my Guru. Tahazik is my mentor. Tahazik is 100% blind and he's 100% disabled. But we never see. When I call him a mentor, because he could visualize everything, though he is blind. So this is a kind of empowerment that Taha realized in the early stage that I can do like Dr. Malik. These are the few people who are motivators and inspiration to all the society. खूप खूप धन्यवाद म्हणटा आमचे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री. म्हणजे प्रत्येक कॉन्सेप्टाक पर्पल फेस्ट घाले आणि ताच्या फाटल्यान जर आमी डिमोरलाइज झाले, लोक कितें कॉमेंट करतात, विधानसभेन आमचेर कितें आरोप जातात की पर्पल फेस्ट या फेस्त करतात, या इव्हेंट करतात, या पैसे खातात, अशें म्हणून जर आरोप झाले आणि त्याच्या नंतर सीएमान हात आकुडते घेतले, नेक्स्ट इयर पर्पल फेस्ट जायना. चीफ मिनिस्टर, द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर, हांव यशस्वी म्हणटा, आणि ताणें आमच्या फाटल्यान सॉलिडरी रावले. आणि आयज आमी पळयतात की खंयचेय वेळार सीएम जेन्ना खंय लोकांक एड्रेस करता तेन्ना ते मनांतल्यान काळजांतल्यान ह्या डिपार्टमेंटा विशीं उलयतात. And then he said that we need a special department for this. You have to focus on this department. It should not be a part of social welfare department. You deserve another department which will focus on the abilities of the activities of this Divyangs. आयज जे कितें आमी इंटरनॅशनल पर्पल फेस्ट केले, ह्या पर्पल फेस्टान भितर आमी फक्त तो इव्हेंट न्हय, इट वॉज अ रिव्होल्यूशन, इट वॉज अ मुवमेंट. That revolution brought a change. What was happening in early days, what we had seen in our families, in our relatives, that if a child born in our house, then we used to hide them in a dark room so that society does not come to know. The mentality गेल्ली आसा, we have changed the perception. Purple Festaचो हो फायदो आसा. नवे नवे जेन्ना to overcome the disabilities of 21 disabilities, each one of them will find a solution in Purple Fest, because there are 200 stalls installed which will present all those technologies all across the country, not only country, all across the world. They come and they exhibit, and you come to know that what is available for me to overcome my disability. So it's because of that, therefore we have a community more than 6 to 7% in the society. But we are not able to reach out to them because they don't come forward. Now we have decided to do an extensive survey of all the disabled, whether you are expecting any aid, appliances, devices or not. You are well off, even then you register it. We want to create a database so that we reach out to all of them. So this is an initiative that Government of Goa under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant we have taken up. And I promise you, we are trying our best. We may be, आता खूप वर्षांनी हे सुरू झालेले आसा म्हणटकच आमकां टाइम लागतलो. Overnight we cannot change anything. But संस्थाs like Aastha and the कार्यकर्तास, workers, आमचे जे कमिटेड लोक हांगा आयिल्ले आसात, तांच्या सारकी साथ आमकां मेळ्ळी जर जाय. आमचे चेतना स्कूल म्हणून कुडचड्यार आसा, ह्याच पद्धतीचे अशे कार्यकर्ते जर मेळ्ळे जर जायत, इट इज इजी. We need to find out the people from each of these talukas, आमकां त्या तरेन तांचो सपोर्ट मेळटलो काय म्हणून. I don't take much of your time, but this is a beautiful function. आम्ही चड वेळ घेवपाक जायना, आम्ही पर्पजा खातीर आयिल्ले आसात, पण म्हाका I would like to express my feelings and आम्ही जेन्ना पर्पल फेस्ट करताले, लाखांनी लोक आयले, but you have not got any single bad review. This is the success of that. Nobody said that I am left on the way because I am on the wheelchair. Everybody was taken care. At 5 morning, we were taking all these people, even though if they are blind, we used to take them for birds watching. पाचाक उठून आमचे पर्पल फेस्टाचे, we have not paid any single rupee to volunteers. They used to come, thousands of volunteers joined us in the process. And it is the success because we have not paid them. Because they worked with that dedication. चढ वेळ घेना, परत एक फावटी आस्थाच्या सगळ्या म्हणजे कोटकर असतले आणि बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स असतले जाणी हार्ट अँड सोल हातून भितर घाल्ला आसा. आणि नेक्स्ट आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा, नेक्स्ट आमचे विजन आसा ते म्हणजेच आमच्या घरान भितर एक दिव्यांग आसा, आवय बापूय आपण तरणाटे आसा तेन्ना तांकां वाडयता. वेन दे ग्रो अप अँड दे अटेन, तांकां एग्रेशन येता, तांकां स्ट्रेंथ येता आणि दे बिकम 25-30 years old and then they become uncontrollable. Then what is next? Because his brother is taken his flat and he is staying apart. आवय बापूय त्या भुरग्याक सांबाळपाक जायना आणि त्या आवय बापायक एक चिंता आसता, म्हजे नंतर ह्या भुरग्यांचे कितें. आणि ताजे खातीर आयज आस्था मुखार सरलेले आसा आणि मुख्यमंत्र्यान डिक्लेअरय केल्ले आसा अशा लोकां खातीरय आमी निवासी योजना करतले. अशें जेन्ना उतरां आमकां मुख्यमंत्र्या कडच्यान मेळटा तेन्ना खूब बरें दिसता की आमी खऱ्या अर्थान शेवट पर्यंत ह्या आमच्या कम्युनिटी भितर रावतले आणि तांकां स्किलिंग करतले. एम्पावरमेंट म्हणजे कितें? एम्पावर देम इन दी एज्युकेशन, एम्पावर देम इन दी स्पोर्ट्स, एम्पावर देम इन कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज. विच एवर स्किल that they have, we provide them full confidence, full infrastructure and we make them to stand on their own foot. त्या खातीरच परत एक फावटी सगळ्यांच्या वतीन हांव मन काळजांतल्यान हांगा जमिल्ल्यांक हांगा आदार केल्ले सगळे आमचे जे दाते आसात, जे पेट्रोन आसात तांकां खूब खूब नमस्कार करता. कारण सरकाराचे काम तुम्ही तुमच्या स्वताच्या भुजाचेर घेतले. आमच्या एक मराठीन म्हण आसा, देणाऱ्याचे हात हजारो, दुबळी आपली जोळी. खूबशे लोक येतात. म्हाका केन्ना केन्ना दिसता हो कमिटमेंट असो हें जाता तेन्ना प्रयत्न रगडते वाळूचे कण तेलही गळे. म्हणजे आमी इतके प्रयत्न आनी केल्ले आसात की वाळूचे कण रगडटा तेलय पडपाक लागले. इतको कमिटमेंट हो आमकां केन्ना पळोवपाक मेळना. परत एक फावटी मन काळजांतल्यान सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम.
So I would request you to kindly be on stage. When you do so much work passionately, I'm sure you have to say a lot as well, and that's why no one stops you from saying what you are really doing from the heart passionately. Thank you for being with us here and being with us always. I would request Siddesh Kotkar to kindly thank you with a memento. I would also request Siddesh sir, I would also request Prasanna Acharya ji, IAS officer and Secretary, Department of Empowerment for Persons of Disabilities, to kindly be up here on stage and accept a memento on our behalf, sir. Thank you for giving your time when people in position of change, who can make a change, and leaders like Subhash sir are there, then the confidence is 100-fold more in Karyakartas like us. Thank you. I would also like to appreciate the work of Josephine Fernandez and Muskan Sheikh, our sign language interpreters, for doing a wonderful job since the start of the program. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, sir. I would also call upon stage, I would request Chairman Siddesh Kotkar to now kindly escort on stage the man of the moment, the man who leads Swayampur Goa to greater heights, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Anura. I would now call upon sir to kindly help with felicitations, a few of them. And someone, I would like to first call upon stage Mahesh Advalpalkarji, a big name of the Advalpalkars and Unfortunately, Mahesh ji can't make it today, but Ketan Mandrikar and his wife will receive the felicitations on behalf of the Adwal Palkars. As I talked about, innumerable truckloads of RMC that came into making this a possibility. The Adwal Palkars have had a huge role to play in it, and I think thank you is a very small word for what
धन्यवाद आपका अध्यक्ष श्री जीतू भाई भक्ता, महिला मंडल के अध्यक्ष और आज की परफॉर्मेंस के स्टार भद्रिका बेन पटेल, यहाँ के सारे उपस्थित दोस्त